Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will learn how to center a text in a document in Microsoft Word. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So how to center a text in Microsoft Word is very simple. Let's say for example we have here a word or words, computer science. What we will do after we type the word, we highlight that and then click this icon, the center. That's it. It will automatically center every time that we type a text. Information technology. Okay. So if we want to return to a line left, you simply click this icon and then you can type another set of text, Bacolod City. Okay guys, so this is the end of our short video on how to center a text in Microsoft Word in a document. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.